Hey guys!
Welcome to our channel. I'm Monica.
I'm Alberto.
Currently at the border right now. We're gonna be traveling through the US in our RV with our little baby truck.
Tiny truck. So our truck, we have a Ram 3500 with the Cummins engine, high output.
She's dirty.
And our trailer is a 2007 Cougar by Keystone, and which has new tires, and our poop tank in the back. So we'll give you a sneak peek on that in a bit.
Yeah.
And hopefully it makes it. It's gonna be a long drive.
So our first stop is to obviously cross the border, and right now there is a bit of a snowstorm happening in Watertown, which we have to go through to our next spot. So hopefully there won't be too much snow. Right now we're about to cross the bridge, the toll bridge, to cross the border.
It's a pretty big bridge, and it's metal.
I don't know if you can hear it.
Sounds scary.
Look at that big bridge. We just made it across the border!
You had to do an x-ray.
Here's the x-ray spot.
So we literally went through, you have to drive 6 or 7 miles an hour, which is 10 kilometers an hour, and go through like an x-ray machine. Make sure we have nothing in there, and yeah, we were good. Out in 2 minutes.
But that was the most confusing
But that was
thing.
pretty confusing. Yeah, but anyways, we made it through, so that's good.
And
now we have to pay the tolls at the toll booth here. And yeah, we're in the US. Yay!
Well, not quite. We're almost. Or are we?
We are.
Oh! Now we're going to the toll booth.
But we have some bad news, because the officer told us that there's a huge storm happening apparently right now.
Watertown.
In Watertown. So we're gonna need to probably stay there for a few days till the storm's done, if there is a storm.
We will see.
We will see, or we'll try to stop somewhere before that. We'll keep you guys updated.
Stay tuned.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
And we made it!
She knows we're about to get screwed in the storm.
Oh boy. Oh, I'm zooming into this emergency time.
Oh my god, look at that car! What the?
Okay, we keep seeing people come with so much snow on their cars, and there's no snow.
Yeah.
We have no idea.
And we just got a warning
we're heading into
in
right
the car
now.
that there's severe snowstorm. We're gonna have to literally stop at the next gas station to get some diesel, because literally all we have is like a quarter tank, and that's not gonna get us far. All these cars are just at snow. And no.
It looks like it's getting dark. It looks like we are approaching this storm.
Oh my god, look at these horses. What?
Look at them.
That's crazy.
Let's see, do they have snow on their cars?
Looks like we're getting close.
Damn, looks like we're getting close to the storm.
And it's getting dark.
Look at these snow clouds.
I hope we can just pass through it and no one crashes into us.
What's this guy doing without a jacket?
We only have... We're low. Yeah, we gotta get some diesel soon for the storm.
It happens so quick.
Finally, we found some diesel, guys. Filling up some gas in our generator right now. Oh boy! It's gonna be a long night.
Ooh, it's cold.
And a cold night.
How is it up there? Colder? Okay, so we've reached the snow for real. I guess this is a snowstorm, but it's really not bad.
There's snow on the sides of the roads and like everywhere pretty much. Like now it's starting to, like it just changed. Like it's starting to get in the roads now. So hopefully it's not too bad because we're just on the highway. Hopefully they plowed it so we can just pass through this section and just keep going down south.
But it's really not bad. It's very light snow. It's not icy. So I guess there is like 3 feet of snow. I think we've reached the snowstorm. I think this is the peak of it.
Snow plows all in front of us. Just and look at the snow on the sides. Like it's deep.
We literally left Ottawa
Yeah,
to get away, and we're here in the snow.
Like we're moving so slow right now, and it looks like it's getting worse right now. Oh my god, guys, this is crazy. We're just in the highway. There's nowhere to go, and it just caught us. Like right now. We're moving slow. Everyone's slow, you know, and being safe, but
with the flashers on.
We have the flashers on.
To be extra safe. But it looks like we're about to hit. I mean, we are in traffic.
We're about to hit some traffic, so.
But it's okay. Everyone's driving slow.
We have an hour left till Syracuse. Imagine if there was no snowplows in front of us right now, guys. It's literally crazy, and that's with like 10 snowplows in front of us, just plowing the whole road. Like, that's crazy.
It's like a winter wonderland. Oh my god.
Goodbye, snowplows. We're
This cop is probably driving, looking at us like, why would they drive in this weather with an RP?
I swear, this is crazy.
It's actually kind of bad. It's kind of bad.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
That's crazy, guys. Okay.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah. Look, we just made it through. That was crazy. Everything is covered. So we're gonna go to McDonald's right now, eat, because that was just like so hectic. But yeah, here it's completely different.
There's not even a drop of snow.
No more snow. This guy was a fellow snowstorm
victim.
Damn, so last time we were in the US, we got a buy one get one free coupon.
And it expires today, so
today's the last day.
We're gonna use it.
So we're gonna go get that. We forgot it in the truck. So we just came all the way to the car.
And it's expired.
We got it. And it's expired.
It expires the 27th. What's the date today?
It expires on the 27th.
Today's the 30th.
Today's the 30th. Yeah, Ryan's calling.
Oh,
Ryan's calling. Yo. Yo, you're on the vlog.
What's over?
We're at McDonald's. But yo, listen.
How's it going, bud?
Look. No more snow. Take that in.
No more snow? How?
Check out this deal. 10-piece chicken nuggets for $1. That's crazy.
Here we got $1, 10 nuggets. Nice and fresh.
Wait, those are 10? That's nothing.
And if you want to know a trick about fries, ask for no salt. They make it fresh.
Fresh, no salt.
Oh, it's gonna overflow. Just finished eating our $1 10 nuggets.
And we just got an iced coffee.
For $1. Everything's $1.
Dollar day. And we're about to go to Rochester.
And probably stay there for the night. We're gonna find a Planet Fitness. A little hack when you're on the road, just get a Planet Fitness membership. Free showers, you go to the gym.
And shower.
So the road is back to normal again. Looks like
No more snow.
Looks like we never even seen the snow. But we're 15 minutes away from Walmart. We're just gonna call it a night there.
Because we need to get some stuff too, like milk, eggs, and all that. Because you can't cross the border with it, so yeah.
Yeah, so we have literally nothing in the fridge but water. So we'll do a little grocery haul. You can come along with us. So we're only 15 minutes away. We're gonna go get some milk and eggs for breakfast. Look at their seafood section. That's how you know you're not in Florida. This looks like a steal for breakfast. Not bad. Oh, there's a maple one. Mini potatoes. It's freezing. It's more cold than Ottawa.
Oh, she's running. Oh, it's cold. Lock that bad boy up.
We just came to another Walmart to sleep tonight and park up the RV. The other Walmart we just were at doesn't allow overnight parking, so we found one that did. And look at Mr. Truck Driver over there. He's ready for the night. And we're gonna go be his neighbor.
Annoying neighbor.
Annoying neighbor, because we're gonna run the generator all night. Perfecto. So we just got back in the RV. Everything's thrown around. Oof. Okay, ready?